Good afternoon, dear express and foreign participants. My name is Arcadi Tastыgin. I'm a student of the 7th grade of my secondary school named after Vladimir Petrovich Larionov. The topic of my research work is drawing up geometric tasks using 3D modeling on the example of Yakut architectural structures. The relevance of the research is that geometric tasks cause great difficulties for students due to the inability to correctly imagine the bodies in space. These problems can be solved using 3D modeling by making spatial objects. The novelty is to study geometry in an interesting forum for me and my peers by modeling tasks using a 3D model of ancient Yakut buildings. We believe that the work can be used in preparing students for the main and unified state exams in mathematics, in tasks related to geometry. The purpose drawing up geometric tasks using 3D modeling on the example of Yakut architectural structures. To do this, I set following tasks. Analyze 3D modeling programs as a tool for constructing and creating figures in 3D space. Drawing up a 3D model and solving mathematical tasks using architecture of Yakut buildings. Draw conclusions based on the information stated. On the screen you can see a 3D model of the traditional Yakut house in Urasa. To select the proportions of the Urasa, I used the data provided by Afanasy Owarovsky published in 1896. The fundamental work of the Polish writer, ethnographer, scientist Wacław Sieraszewski, Yakut, became a significant event in the ethnographic study of Yakutia. Being an exile in Yakutia, he admired of the architectural taste of the Yakut people. In the book Vilusky District, published in 1887, The Future of the Public Education in Siberia, geologist Richard Mack wrote the largest Yakut Urasa I have seen had up to 3 fathoms at the base and up to 4 or 5 fathoms in height. Using this data, I made geometric tasks about Urasa. For example, first, find the proportion of Urasa in modern terms. Richard Mack gives the data of the Urasa in ancient length measurements. I got acquainted with the old measures of length. It turns out in the modern measurement, 1 fathom equals to 152 centimeters of 1.5 meters. The Urasa has a conical shape with a circle at its base. This means that the diameter of the circle is 3 fathom, and the height is 4 fathoms. In modern terms, it receives a base diameter of the 4.5 meters and the Urasa height of 6 meters. This was the first task. The second example, knowing the diameter of the base, it is necessary to find the radius of the base, and it's equal to half the diameter, or 2.25 meters. To solve the geometric task of Urasa, we need a model of a cone. To do this, I propose to find a Urasa model from a set of special geometric shapes. This was the third example of the task. The research work allows me to draw the following conclusions. We have studied the ancient Yakut buildings, their shapes and size, made geometric and geometric tasks, made 3D models of these buildings, drew up various geometric and geometric tasks. The conducted studies have shown that the use of 3D modeling of solving geometric tasks opens up great opportunities. The result of the work causes a feeling of admiration and surprise of the depth thought of our ancestors. They had mathematical inclination, developed eye, spatial imagination. Thank you for your attention.